Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have another Persian dish called Adasi, which is a green lentil. This food is very popular in Iran and they make it almost every city in Iran. And basically they use it as a breakfast and or between the meals. This is very old-fashioned food and has a very long history. So it depends on the people. They add some of the things that usually is not there, but some area have kind of little bit different by the ingredients. The one that is originally is very simple. It's a lentil, little bit of spices and water. That's it. Simple and easy. Now the version that I make it is a little bit different because I used to make it this way. And also could be completely vegan, or you can add the stock like a chicken or beef broth. And so it depends on your taste, but you don't have to. The water, it would do it too. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. What I have here is about 2.5 cup green lentil. I already washed that about an hour. I soaked it in the water to make it easier to cook. What I have here is, I didn't have the big one. This is a baby carrots and it's equal to 2 medium carrots. Do you have here is 3 potato, 1 onion, 1 serrano pepper, which is optional. You don't have to if you don't like to be spicy. Here I have 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chili pepper or red pepper. This is also optional. If you don't like it, you don't put in there. We need some cooking oil, and up to here is 100% is a vegan food, but if you like it, again, you can, instead of water, you can use chicken broth or beef broth or even veggie broth or just the water. Let's go start with the cutting our onion, trying to make it as small as possible. Okay, this is a very easy meal and it takes the whole thing. It's not going to be, even from the preparation to everything, is going to be about an hour and a half. And the result is something that you're really going to love it. And the reason that I'm making it today, because it's kind of chilly today and I thought about it, it's going to be a very nice warm kind of soup. And it goes with the weather. Okay, after we're done with the cutting our onion, we are going right away to start sauteing this. And while we're doing this, we come back here and start peeling the potato and cutting it to the small pieces. Let's go and just put this in a pan that I have here. Let me put a little bit the oil. All right, while we sauteing our onion, let's go or make another pot, start cooking our lentil. Okay, this is very annoying. Let me fix this. I don't know why it starts just making noise. All right, so start cooking our lentil. Okay, here's the time that I add my chicken broth. As I said, you can add the water. Okay, so probably we need to add a little bit more water on this one. This is not enough for it. Okay, so actually I think it needs about like 8 cups of water. So let us start cooking here. Go back to our onion. Okay, doing what it's supposed to do. Let me go and cut my potato and come back to check on this one. All right, cutting in very small pieces like this. Now it's the carrots. All right, when I was talking about, as I said, you know, there's all different kind they make this. And to be honest with you, what I saw myself in my childhood, this was one of the street food in the winter time. And there was only lentil in that place that they were selling it, nothing else. But as I said, you know, we make it personalized, so I like it this way. And some people even they might put some little bit of the chicken breast, or if some they don't like the carrots, they don't put it at all. Some people they do put only potato, and some even they put a little bit of the tomato paste. So, but all are good. It's all different tastes, and there is no right or right way or a wrong way. So you can do it even, you know, as you like. So, but this is that I prefer all the time. I was using it like this. These are done and ready, and it's a time I go and add this one. It's Serrano pepper to my lentil. Let it cook and get the taste. Here, it seems our onion is going to be sauteed nicely. So we're not going to go too much to turn the color. This is almost as good time to add the turmeric and peppers. Okay, the turmeric and pepper is going to go here. The salt's gonna go to lentil. Let's put the salt here first. All right. And here are the spices. Mix them together, about like a minute and a half or so. Then what I do, I'm gonna add the potato and saute that also a little bit before we put all these things to our lentil. All right, now the carrots, it takes a little bit more time to be cooked also, so I'm gonna add this here and let it cook, and add my potatoes here. So I'm going to do this about a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and it's going to be ready. And by that time also our lentil start boiling. We are sauteing this about 2 or 3 more minutes, and This is going to be enough. Then we are going to wait till our lentil start boiling, and after it boils about 15 minutes, we are going to add our potato into that too. This is good enough. Here we go. I'm gonna turn the heat off and let it sit here for about 10-15 minutes till the lentil are ready for take this one into. I like to get this foam out. All right, this is boiling away. Now it's a time to add our onion and potato into. Let's get the taste and the color of the spices too. I could use a smaller pot, even, fryer instead of that, but you do what you like. All right, let it cook for another half to 45 minutes, half an hour to 45 minutes. Then our food's gonna be ready. That's it. Simple, easy, sweet. See you when we're serving it. Okay, it has been about 45-50 minutes that our lentil are cooking. And it's a perfect timing because it's a rain outside, and this is actually a perfect time to eat this food. All right, this is, as you look at it, it's just almost there. So in a few minutes, I'm gonna serve it, and we see you then. By the way, again, this is, they call it Adasi, but some people, they might call it as soup, lentil soup. And some people, they don't put anything except just the lentil with some spices. But this is our version. And as I said, I always make it like this, and always I love it. See you soon. All right, guys, food is ready, and I can't wait to start eating it. I put a little bit of chopped parsley as a garnishment, and it's not something that is necessary for this food, but it looks great this way. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like always, I really thank you and appreciate your support. And till next time with another Persian dish, bye.